Hello, I'm Citrus, and mail just came, and it is my Uniqlo shirt. This is the series that they made for the Gunpla 40th anniversary, and this is the one that I got, and I went in with a couple of friends to buy 3 shirts so that we can get the special limited edition Gundam kit from Uniqlo. So unfortunately I will not be building this because this is going to one of the friends that went in with the order. But I just wanted to open this up since I was the one that placed the order and I have it first, so they can't do anything to stop me. So this shirt, I believe the A plate here is from the original RX-78, and we'll find out actually because I'm also curious which version of the RX-78 is actually in the box. Judging from all of the photos that came out when they announced this campaign, I think it's the very first one from like, I don't even remember what year it is, so we'll find out. Although given the size of the box, it could be the Revive, and I do have a Revive next to me that we can compare. Okay, there we go. And then let's see. And yeah. Okay, so you can pick either the RX-78 or the Zaku 2, and we went with, or my friend picked the RX-78 because I guess he likes it more. The Zaku 2 I know for sure is the old kit that came out a long time ago. Just look around the box real quick. Very, very thin box. Not for sale, yes. So you can get one of these when you buy 3 shirts. And if you get 6 shirts, you can get both, or, well, I guess you could also have 2 of the Gundam, 2 of the Zaku, whatever you like. And this is a Revive that I have. I think the box from this is a little bit thicker because it comes with the extra base. But yeah, same size box. So if we open this up, there we go. Okay, so this is what the kit looks like. Yeah, 2001. So this would be the original HGUC RX-78, not the high grade. That one I believe was in 1990 something. Not too sure, but I know that one's very collectible now. Kind of rare. Because that's interesting. So this plate here on the shirt is very clearly not that, because you can see the shield there, but that's not where the chest pieces are. Yeah, the layout of the foot parts and everything is completely different. You get only one of each plate here, so no leftovers. The gun is completely red, which I think looks a little weird, but that's okay. And then we have the manual. Let's see if there's some special text in here. 2020, made in Japan. You know, the old RX-70, I believe, well, I didn't build it, but actually, no, I did build it, yeah. Way back, like a small gathering, we got a Operation V set. And there were 3 of us, so we split it all up. I built the Gundam, one friend built the gun cannon, the other one built the gun tank. And it was a surprisingly okay kit, you know, given the fact that it's, well, at the time it was like 12, 13 years old, now it's almost 20. But it's not bad at all. Although, honestly, for the $15 that that shows up in the cart when you place the order, so I guess we can call out like the value of the kit. It would have been nice if Bandai had upgraded us to the Revive RX-78, which of course is a much more thorough build. If we compare this real quick, so we just pull out the A plate. There it is. Okay, so pretend that this isn't in the way. So we just have to turn it around. And it looks like, yeah. Yeah, so the shirt, the A plate on the shirt is definitely from the Revive. You can see the shields here. The chest bits are here. The head bits, feet. This is the waist. And down here are all the yellow bits. The little Gundam head here is stitched in, so there's a bit of texture to it, which is pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, that's all for this quick little video. Just wanted to show you what was up with the new Uniqlo Gundam campaign thing. And this was delayed for a month because of all the crazy COVID stuff, I'm assuming, because this was supposed to come out way back in the end of March, and it's been pushed to April. So, yeah. Stay safe out there, wash your hands, keep your noses clean, literally and figuratively. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.